Hi guys, how are you doing? If you're new here, my name is Rodian and today we're going to be having a quick little update on the house. Right, so a fair few of you have been asking me over the past sort of 3 or 4 months about what's happening with the house. Is it finished? Is it keep going? What's happening with it? Have I stopped doing any work to it? Basically, just a quick few minutes just to go through it all. So work has stopped. I haven't done any work since the last episode that I put up, which I will link down in the description. So long ago, even I can't remember. So that'll be linked down there. Basically, I'm waiting on funds. That's the essential reason why I've stopped work on the house. For all those of you who are new to the channel, I've built this house behind me. I built the whole thing completely by myself, apart from all the timbers in the roof. The rest of it, the whole thing. So if you're interested in watching that process, then I'll leave the link to the playlist down below. But anyway, so yeah, the reason we stopped work was because of funds. I'm waiting for the bank to release funds, and also I'm waiting on the sale of a house. I started making waves for selling a house back in sort of this time last year actually, and the house was on the market in January of this year. The long and short of it is we've gone through a few different estate agents, had a few hiccups along the way, but it is looking positive at the moment. I'm just waiting on details from a buyer and hopefully we're looking good. So the long and short of it is that is due to be completed before Christmas. So we won't have any more updates on the house until the new year, but from then on we will be looking at doing weekly updates. Okay, so for those of you who are new, quick little lowdown is I was going to do the whole thing all myself, build everything all myself from start to finish, the whole thing. Sort of a little bit, it's a bit of a bucket list thing that I wanted to do, and well, put it this way, building all that, I'm so happy with what's turned out at the moment that I'm happy that I can tick that off my bucket list. I've built this house, and the rest of it I'm going to get different trades in to finish it off, like plumbers, plasterers, electricians, etc, etc, and yeah, just get it all done. But the one thing that has not been finished on there is the roof. Now I'm again waiting for funds to finish it off, but I'm not going to film that because the last time I filmed that roof, it almost killed my channel, so I'm not going to be doing that again. I'll just quickly show you around. There's just a couple of things that are going to be finished, but I'm going to be doing that off camera, and when we come back, we're just going to be going on from there. So I'll just quickly flip you around and show you what I'm on about. So the only things that need doing are, there's some ridge tiles that need going along there and down here, and the only other thing is front and back. I just need to clad the dormers. And also there was a video I did where I did the lead work underneath one of the dormers. I'm going to rip that out, and I'm going to have someone come in and do all the lead work on the whole house, just purely because my lead work is nowhere near up to scratch. Again, for all of those newbies, I was going to show you around the house, but realised I've already done a video on that, so I'm not going to. So I'll leave that down in the description. That's just sort of an overview of what the house looks like inside and out at the moment. I mean, I'll quickly go in here and show you, but it's a bit too dark really, so I'll leave the link for that video in the description. There's not really too much going on in here, and no, I have not been sleeping in here. But this is just sort of living area, dining area, kitchen through there, bathroom around there, and then there's upstairs as well. But anyway, oh yeah, all you brickies out there, you might enjoy this. Again, I've done videos on this. Again, you can't really see it because it's so dark in here, but there's a fireplace there. Again, I'll leave the links down to that video down below. And also, I have not been doing any tidying up because I have been busy. Okay, that is one of the reasons why I've been busy. I will explain that now. Okay, so what have I been doing in the meantime? So the house that is on the market that's been selling, it needed a few things doing to it. Nothing major, just repaint the outside of the building, just a sort of little bit of fixing up here and there. Basically because the house that I'm selling, me and my dad bought it back in 2013. We developed it, turned it from a 3-bedroom house into a 6-bedroom house, and it was a rental property that we were using, a buy-to-let sort of. So that was what that house is all about, and yeah, we're just selling it purely because we just want to take the money out of that and put it in this, just finish it off. When I started building this house, I did know that the money we had was not going to finish it, hence why I started making waves to sell that house back this time last year. But like I said, a few things sort of, it just didn't come around to finishing. Not come around to finishing, just the ins and outs. Basically it was a pain in the arse selling the house, and anyway, enough about that. I've spoken about that. So those mattresses in there are from my house, which I'm currently moving out of. Those of you who are following me on my vlog channel. And by the way, those America vlogs, there are another 6 or 7 of them to come, but I have just spent a lot of time. I've been very busy, and there's the next one coming out. I wanted to spend a lot of time perfecting it for reasons you'll understand why when I upload it. But anyway, so on that channel I did upload a video of me turning my spare room into a gym. Now that is the house that I'm moving out of, and I uploaded that video probably the beginning of this year, maybe sort of February times, I can't remember. But that was when I moved in, and now I'm moving out. So I've been in there just probably about a year. I think I was in there a week before Christmas last year, so about a year ago. But anyway, so I'm moving out of that, having just the fun of moving house, having the fun of sorting out the money from the bank for this house, sorting out the sale of my other house, which was going to come back to fund this. So the long and short of it is, we'll be back to, I'll probably be doing weekly uploads of the house build starting in the new year. So I just thought I'd make this little video just to keep you guys in the loop and let you know I haven't stopped working on the house. Well, technically I have stopped working on the house, but it's not a permanent thing. So hopefully, fingers crossed, if everything pans out well, we will be back up and running with those videos coming on the new year. So in the new year, we'll probably be looking at doing, I'm going to continue doing the bricklaying tutorials. I'm going to keep doing that because I've got a lot of ideas that I want to go through, and I just want to just sort of share a little bit of my my knowledge with you guys. You guys seem to be enjoying it, so I'm going to continue doing it. So into the new year, I'll probably be working out a schedule, but it'll be a house upload a week and maybe 1 to 2 bricklaying tutorials a week as well. So hopefully that has answered any of your guys' questions. If you do have any more questions, please do leave them down in the comments and let me know, and I'll try and get back to you with them as soon as possible. If anything warrants making another little update video like this, then I will make another little update video. But that's pretty much the size of it. So hopefully you guys are a bit more well informed about what is happening. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description to the playlist for the full house build, so you can check out the whole build. There's a lot that happens, there's a lot of ups and lots of downs. But anyway, that's enough of that. So we'll leave it there for today's episode. So thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like down below if you have enjoyed this. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. So take care. I'll see you then. Ta-ra.